I'll be showing you the top product tab apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at the reviews, pricing, and features so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Before I dive in as well, I want to say that if you're looking for features such as product tabs built into your theme automatically, I have you covered with a brand new Shopify theme that I've just launched. It includes 20 plus built-in conversion tools, so you don't need to get separate apps to bring in all these high conversion functions such as countdown timers, stock timers, and an animated add to cart button, letting you save up to $1,548 per year on app subscription fees. I'll leave a link for this in the description below. And as mentioned, I built this myself, so if you have any questions about the setup or anything along the way, I'll be there to help you guide you through it. The first app we're taking a look at is called Tabs, and allows for SEO product tabs with AI. So you can use tabs or accordions on product pages to optimize and save time, as well as generate product descriptions using AI. You can automatically create tabs directly from the product description page, and you can share content across multiple products with these shared tabs. You can also use design templates or create unique styles to match your store, and you can create product descriptions with the help of AI toolsets. In terms of pricing, it's completely free, and you get one shared tab with unlimited product tabs. In terms of pricing, it starts at $4.99 per month, and it goes up to $35.88 per year if you'd rather do an annual plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 5 stars with just shy of 140 5-star reviews. We take a look at the AI review summary here. Merchants appreciate this app for improving the professional look of their online stores and simplifying content management with customizable features. And it's an easy to use app with an intuitive interface. Next up, we have Easy Tabs product tabs, so you can simplify product page tabs and powerful product description tabs, letting you improve your store's UI and UX. It allows for high flexibility and hassle-free installation. You can also customize the tabs look and feel, and the app fully adds WCAG 2.0/Section 508 compliant tabs and accordion widgets. In terms of pricing, it starts at and ends at $5 a month, and there's a 7-day free trial. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with just shy of 1,000 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant has been using the simple product page app here and has been game changing for organizing their product pages. And the customer service really stands out. Whenever they've had questions or needed assistance, the team has been quick to respond and very helpful. Next up, we have Smart Tabs product tabs. Again, allowing you to create tabs and accordions for each product description, allowing you to add things such as shipping info and more. This can enhance your product page UI and layout. You can also customize your tab style, and it's also going to be mobile responsive. Also have a user-friendly dashboard, making it easy to set up. It also has integrations with third-party apps for reviews, cross-sells, upselling, and size charts. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan, and paid plans start at $5 per month. And in terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with just shy of 1,000 5-star reviews. If we take a look at one of the latest reviews here, this merchant had problems when updating/upgrading the app, but they were all quickly resolved. It's the best app ever, and the support team is quite excellent and responds immediately or within a very short time frame. Lastly, we have product tabs, and it's a solution that allows you to add custom product tabs to your product page. You can have multiple layouts or skins for this, and you can manage your tab groups quite easily. Also easy to customize things such as the layout, colors, and fonts of it. You can also add content on a vertically or horizontal tabs. In terms of pricing, this app is completely free, and in terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 20 5-star reviews. According to this latest review here, this is exactly the tool the merchant needed to create descriptive sheets organized with tabs. Makes it easy to set up, and thanks to the developers and the very responsive customer service team. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. You have all your different costs of goods sold, ad spend from all your different platforms, monthly expenses, and all your transaction fees. But with our sponsor, Profit Calc, you can understand your store's exact profit all in just one click. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of different details, metrics, and analytics, letting you make smarter business decisions as you'll have a true insight into your business. So it syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Meta, which includes both Facebook and Instagram, Snapchat, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, TikTok, as well as Google. It also has cost of goods sold integrations with platforms such as AliExpress, Printful, Printify, CJ Dropshipping, and ShipHero. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. This concludes the video here on the top product tab apps for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.